Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing groundnut sweet. So I'll be doing that groundnut sweet that is tight. That's the one that I want to do. So I have just 3 things I'll be using for my groundnut sweet. I have a raw groundnut, grounded sugar, and water. Now with this groundnut, this is just 3 cups of groundnut, and I already removed the bad ones from here. So this is what I'll be using. This is raw groundnut, my grounded sugar, and water. This is just all that I will be using for my groundnut sweet. This is the pot I'll be using. In the pot, I'll go in with my raw groundnuts. Next, I'll go in with my ground sugar. Please pay attention to what I'm doing here. Next, I'll go in with 2 cups of water. How it looks. So I'll put my lid on, then I have to put this on the stove. Okay. Guys, it is on medium heat. I'll allow this to sit and cook for a while. And remember, I haven't stirred this yet. So I'll allow this to sit and cook for a while before I'll come in and stir it. This is the medium heat. Okay, now it's time for us to check our pot. And as you can see, it is already boiling. Okay, so let me bring the camera closer. It is boiling, and this is a good sign that the groundnut sweet will be so good. So we'll allow this to sit and boil again for a while. Yes, it has to keep boiling, keep boiling, keep boiling. Hope you guys are seeing the magic. Okay, so it is not yet time for me to stir it. I haven't stirred it. I'll go ahead, then I'll cover the pot and allow it to keep boiling. When it is time to stir, I will show you guys. Check again. I hope you can now see the difference. You can now see how the sugar is. So it is getting sticky. Yeah, so I have to continue to allow this to sit and cook again for a while. So if you look at the edge, you see how it is sticky. That's the sugar. That's the sugar. It is not yet time for me to stir. I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook again for a while. You can see how it is bubbling. That's the sugar and the water. Yes, I'll still keep this to boil again for a while. Okay, look at it, guys. You don't need to stir it, so you can do this way. Look at it. Are you seeing? Look at the sugar. Just look at. concentrate on the corners. Are you seeing? Yeah, so this is how it is forming. Look at the corners. It is forming. And when you look at the groundnut, the water, it is gradually reducing. Okay. Woo, it is hot. So it is sticky. You see that the sugar is sticky on the groundnut. Yeah, so it's almost ready. It's very, very hot. Very, very hot. So you have to be so careful. I'll now go in with my wooden spoon. Look at it. Are you seeing, guys? Okay. Even the color of the groundnut has changed. It is almost ready. I just brought down the groundnut sweet. You can place it on anything that you want. You can use a bag. In this case, I'm using a carton. Yeah, this is what I'm using. I have to allow this to cool, to sit down and cool for a while. Look at. Yes, so guys, this is the final product of our groundnut sweet. The final result of our groundnut sweet. This is how it looks like. As you can see. What I'll do is that I'll use a knife to try to split this into parts. This is how it looks like. Okay. I love it. I've split the groundnut sweet into parts. Yep. So yummy, guys. Please try this method and you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.